I am fiercely independent, but if there's one thing I learned quickly, it's that reinvention doesn't happen on your own. It happens better and faster with the right people around you. And this can actually occur without you even realizing it. Take me, for example. When I was in my corporate job, I would spend increasing amounts of time during my work breaks and lunch browsing on LinkedIn. 3 people caught my attention: Michaela Alexis, Dr. Natalia Vygotsky, and Mark Williams. They all had 3 things in common. They were LinkedIn content creators, LinkedIn trainers, and public speakers. I thought if I could do what they did for a living, that would be amazing. So I began to pay attention to what they did, the content they created, and the people they engaged with. Call it professional stalking. The aim wasn't to copy what they did, but to learn from them and figure out what my version of that looked like. I reached out to them. Now, I must admit it wasn't easy getting a hold of some of them, either because they had large followings or they were busy people running a business. But I persisted and over time got myself on their radar. I began having conversations with them all, asking them how they got started, what they wish they'd known, and any mistakes they'd made. It saved me a lot of time, energy, and money on things that I had little knowledge on as I was at the start of my journey. They also provided me with inspiration for where I wanted to be and served as guideposts for the new career path I was embarking on. Over time, I got to a certain level in what I did, and I found myself on stage with them all, speaking at a conference in LA about LinkedIn and personal branding with Michaela and Dr. Natalia, and speaking alongside Mark at a digital marketing conference in London. Being on stage with them took me back to the girl dreaming at her desk, looking at these amazing people doing something I wanted to do and giving me the inspiration to do it too. So who are your Michaelas, Natalias, or Marks? Make an inventory of who is already in your network that you can reach out to in relation to a position or place you're working towards, and then another list of people that aren't in your network. Once you have those lists, engage with their content intentionally and reach out to them, and remember, don't give up on the first try.